Hi again. Here is the International Day Project Choice Board, and this video is if you and your partners chose important person or biography. So you would click on it and it would come up. So this is the activity sheet for biography of a special person. I want you to think of a famous person from your country. Answer the questions below and use your answers to write a short biography of the person. Be sure to include all aspects of the biography on your Google Slides. Gather your information from your research on this page and then prepare your Google Slide presentation using the information. Each section can be placed in one Google Slide page. So section A, we're talking about the person's early life, would be Google Slide 1. These are the questions that you will be answering on Slide 1. Who is the famous person? Where were they born? When were they born? What did their parents do? What else do you know about their parents? What kind of childhood did they have? Where did they live as a child? Where did they go to school? You can answer all these questions in paragraph format. And this will go on Google Slide number 1. For Google Slide 2, you will be doing research on their hometown or country. So question 1 asks, what was life in their hometown or country like at this time? Question 2, how did they feel about life in their hometown or country? Again, in paragraph format, you would gather information and put it into Google Slide 2. For Google Slide 3, becoming famous. The questions are, what area of life is the person famous for? Politics, music, film, those are just some examples. Question 2, when did they first become well known? Question 3, what were the most important events during the time they were famous? Question 4, what were the most difficult times? Question 5, did they travel to other countries? Question 6, did they receive any awards for their work or achievements? Moving on to section D, which is going to be on Google Slide 4. Now, D and E come together. So you're only going to do D if the person is still alive. If the person is no longer alive, you will not do D. You will do E. That's why both of them are Google Slide 4. You only have to do D or E. So if the person is still alive today, you will do D. If the person is no longer with us, the person is dead, you will do E. So questions for D, where is the person living now? How old are they now? What is their life like now? Have they had any important events in their life recently? Have they got any important events coming up in the near future? Remember, D is if they're still alive. E is if they are dead. Question 1 for E, where was the person living at the end of their life? 2, what was their life like at this time? 3, what other things did they do in their life? 4, when did they die? 5, where did they die? 6, where are they buried? And 7, how are they remembered today? Now for your last slide, which is section F, your feelings about the person is going to go on slide 5. Question 1, What are your feelings about the person? For example, do you admire them, feel sorry for them, find them interesting, funny, etc.? Question 2, why do you feel this way about them? And question 3, what do you feel were the most important things they did? So this is the end of your project if you are doing a biography of an important person from your country. Don't forget, once you fill this out, you need to then put it all into the Google Slides and create a very visual and creative presentation. Don't forget to add pictures and creativity to your Google Slides. Good luck!